National Food Group's plant-based pea proteins are nutritious, clean label, allergen-friendly, and are changing the way kitchens meet dietary needs. Our shelf-stable and versatile pea proteins are available in a variety of sizes and will seamlessly transform any current recipe using animal protein into a cost-saving dish with healthier ingredients. Hydration ratios vary based on the product, so be sure to follow the included directions. Typically, 3 to 4 ounces of dry pea protein equals 1 pound of ground meat when hydrated. You'll love National Food Group's chef-approved recipes like plant-based taco meat, flexitarian spaghetti sauce, a simple breakfast sausage crumble, or even protein-fortified baking applications like muffins or waffles, just to name a few. Our plant-based pea proteins are great for dry storage, large volume cooking, and are an incredible cost saver when compared to using traditional protein. Plus, they help out our environment too. Our pea proteins are a flexible and sustainable food resource that reduces our carbon footprint compared to animal proteins. Contact the food experts at National Food Group today for delicious recipes and product samples. Thank you.